Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and I YouTube about all things life improvement. And here lately it's been a lot of thrifting and thrift hauls because my current hobby is finding things at the thrift shop, cleaning them up, spiffing them up, and then reselling them on Poshmark and Mercari. So today I've got a little baby thrift haul for you, a few things I've found. And I'm feeling super lazy today, so I'm going to shoot this video straight through. I'm going to upload it straight to YouTube. So I'm going to apologize in advance if I stumble, if I trip over my words, if I spit my coffee out. I've got a little bit of an allergy thing going on, so I may sniff and snort, and I'm sorry. If it gets really bad, yes, I will edit it out. So if you're new to this genre, Poshmark is an online app, it's actually on your phone, where you can sell clothes, shoes, new makeup, accessories. And I started selling stuff casually about a year ago. A few things randomly out of my closet. Then a couple months ago, I got to really selling stuff out of my husband's closet and my own closet, stuff that we weren't using. And then I got to noticing that people were selling stuff on there that they had bought and were reselling. So I was like, well, that's kind of fun. I like to shop, but I don't really need any more clothes. So I started playing with that a couple months ago, and I'm having so much fun. I'm not making that much money, guys. There's not that much money when you live in Podunk, rural Kentucky. We don't have a lot of great brands, but I do have something exciting today that I can't wait to show you. But anyway, if you haven't been on Poshmark, if you make an account and use my code DoodleTurtle, you get, I think, $5 off your first order, your first purchase, and I get $5 for referring you. I also, like I said, sell on Mercari. Mercari is the same way, but you can sell anything on Mercari, like anything. Housewares, kitchenware, shoes, tools. I mean, if it can ship, I think it's got to be under 10 pounds. If it's under 10 pounds, you can sell it on Mercari. And I'll put my link for Mercari below and my link for Poshmark below. I think Mercari gives you a $10 credit on your first purchase if you use my link, and then I get a $2 credit, which is not great, but I mean, it's better than nothing. So anyway, enough rambling. I went thrifting Thursday, and then I went thrifting again today, and I've got the pile down here beside me. It's short. This will be a short video. I'm just going to show you what I got. First thing, this is the most cheesy redneck thing ever. I bought this for myself. I paid $2.29 for a genuine Chevrolet parts shirt. But if you don't know, my husband wheels and deals and fixes cars, and he's currently rebuilding the motor in a Camaro, and it's my car, and I love it. And so when I saw this Chevrolet parts shirt, you know, for $2.29, I had to buy it. So this one was for me, and here we go. All right. Oh, so the first thing I grabbed is actually not something I'm going to be flipping. I picked this up for a family member. It is Kato. It is new with tags, and I just thought it was very pretty, and it looked like something that she would wear. And it's got a few a little threads, but it's new with tags. And because red was the color of the week, so if you shop at Goodwill, they have like different colored tags. Red was the color of the week, so I got it super cheap. And I told her, hey, if you don't like it or it doesn't fit, give it back to me, throw it away. It's not going to hurt my feelings. Alright, so this is the first thing I found that I'm actually going to be reselling. But when I buy things, I try to buy things that I love and that I would put in my own closet even if it didn't sell, or especially if it didn't sell. Because if I'm going to buy it and it doesn't sell and I'm stuck with it, I want to be able to wear it. So I thought this was super cute. This is Cobby. If you're not familiar with the brand, Cobby is an in-home party style clothing line. It's really high quality. It's nice. I had a cousin that used to sell it, and I have a few pieces, and they are super nice. This one is a medium, and it's brand new with tags. I got it for a great price, like I said, because I was at the Goodwill. And it's a nice bow, little knot in the front. And I can totally wear this if it doesn't sell because it's super cute. And I actually already have it listed on Poshmark. So if you like it, comment below and I can tag you in it on Poshmark. Next up, another item that I do have listed, but it hurt my heart just a little bit to list it. I own a gym and I live in workout clothes. So when I came across this Nike pullover, I wanted to keep it so bad. I love the neckline. It's the scoop neck, but you can also wear it off your shoulder. Really cute. It's a size medium, I believe. Yeah, medium. And really doesn't appear to have ever been worn. I'll be real honest with you. It stunk. Like, it stunk bad when I bought it. So I washed it. Now it smells fresh. So if you're shopping at Goodwill, you know, be prepared to wash some things. Next item. Y'all. So my last thrifting video was titled, I thought I had found Anthropologie, but I was wrong. So Anthropologie is a really cool hip store that sells really great pieces. They kind of have a bohemian style. They're high quality. They're very expensive. Here, like I said, rural Kentucky, we don't have that locally. I got so excited, y'all, because on Thursday I actually found an Anthropologie piece. And it's pretty close to my size, so I can wear it if it doesn't sell. It is mauve. And it is a medium. It's a button down with this cute tie front. And it's got the high-low hem. So if you want to wear it with leggings or skinny jeans, but you want to cover your booty, it's got this drop-down hem. Like I said, this fun tie. The sleeves. They have buttons, and it is tinsel, 100% tinsel. So I thought this was pretty, very sweet, with the pleating at the shoulders. I do have this listed, and I'm getting a steamer for Christmas, which actually when I'm filming this, Christmas has passed, but I have one more Christmas in a couple weeks, family Christmas, and I'm getting a steamer. So imagine this steamed with no wrinkles, and it would be beautiful. But I was really stoked about this. I was talking to myself in the Goodwill. I was like, oh my God, I found an Anthropologie item. So that is listed. Again, if you're interested, comment below. I can tag you in it. Okay, this piece is just a cute little piece. Not very expensive. I've actually looked at this the last couple times I was at the Goodwill. For some reason, it's always on my radar. I see it. And today it was the cheapest of the cheap because it was a red tag. It is just a fun little loft pineapple print V-neck shirt. Yay, pineapples! I actually really personally like Ann Taylor, Loft, Banana Republic. Their t-shirts are great. They're super soft. So in the theme of everything, I really like this. So if it doesn't sell, it's okay. I'm actually looking to my right in my closet at a shirt I have that's really similar to this, except instead of cute little pineapples, it's just got gold dots. But it's a really fun, versatile shirt. It's in my closet. I think I have it listed for $12, but if you wanted to find some other stuff to go with it, you know, bundling is a thing on Poshmark, so you can put 2 or 3 different things together. Typically, a seller will give you a really good discount if you put a lot of things together. So I have a couple of other things in my closet that would go really well with this t-shirt, or they're in the same theme of this t-shirt. And it looks like I have one more item. This one's really cute too. Alright, so there was also a dress in my closet already that's Intro brand. I just lost my ring. I don't know where it went. Oh, got it. Okay, so Intro is a boutique brand, and I have another dress in my closet, my Poshmark closet, that is Intro, and this is a new with tags, so you can see it has not been worn. I think this is adorable. It's just this cute little rainbow tunic. Pictures do not do it justice because I photographed it and I listed it on Poshmark, and it just doesn't look as good in the pictures as it does in person. But look, it's got fun little fringe, rainbow detailing. The sleeves have little rainbow fringe, and then this side is a different color. This is a large, so it's a little bit big for me, but again, if it doesn't sell, I'm still going to wear this. It'd make a great bathing suit cover up. It would look really cute with a pair of jean shorts in the summer. I just think it's adorable, and I'm very happy that I found that. So those are my thrift shop finds today, and they're listed on Poshmark and Mercari. I'll put links below. If you have not checked out Poshmark and Mercari, you get a discount off both of them when you first open your account, so you can score some really cool stuff for cheap. And like I said at the beginning, this was a open to close video. I'm not going to edit. I'm just going to make a little graphic and upload this to YouTube. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. We are a couple days from New Year's. So here is to making 2019 amazing. Whatever your goal is, whether it's to get healthier, whether it's to make some extra money, whether it's to pay off debt, whether it's to dial in your nutrition. I address all those things on my channel, so I would love it if you would subscribe and join me for 2019 as we tackle all of our goals, live our goals, and just make it the best it can be. Have a great day, y'all. Stay strong. Bye.